I mean, guys, come on. Look at the curves in that body. You can't tell me that is not a sexy knife right there. I mean, all right, ladies and gentlemen, today I come before you with a knife that is an absolute must have if you have a knife collection. You've probably seen this knife, you've probably heard about this knife, but it does come in this box. This is a typical Kershaw box, a Ken Onion design, and it's a part of like a three knife series. There's a chive and a scallion, and this is the larger of the three. I think the other ones are two. One is 2 inches, one is 2.5 inches. This one has a 3 inch blade, but like I said, it is made in the USA, so that's pretty cool. It does come in this little plastic sleeve bag. All right, and so don't be confused when you get this package and you see it's made in China, designed in USA. That just means the package. So just disregard that. The knife is made in the USA. And it does come, with this little pamphlet, info folder, type thing, which you can look at. But let's get right into it. So this knife is super sleek, and this is like Ken Onion outdid himself with this knife right here. This is a super popular knife. Like I said, many of you have heard of this already. I'll show you the back. It just has a great design. I think the model number is 1660 on this one, and this is just like the basic silver version. And it does have a good feel. Like, this doesn't feel super slippery like that stonewash finish that I've mentioned in other videos. It does say Kershaw there. It does have the speed safe blade assist. And I like, one of the things I like is that, how Kershaw's written on this pocket clip, but this pocket clip is deep. And so this is very, very convenient to carry as an EDC knife. I would feel, comfortable carrying this to work. We'll just flip it open for you to show you. Ooh, gotta unlock it first. So it does have a little lock right here. It has a 3 inch blade. It does flip out, very good. The blade is a little bit thin. So with this design, it is a little fashion over function in that if you took this on a camping trip, this blade could break on you. It does have the 14C 28N steel. It has a 410 stainless alloy handle, patented Ken Onion design. Very, very nice knife. This would be a great knife to carry. Like if you were getting a first knife for your son, or, for a girlfriend or boyfriend, or, whatever. This is a great first knife to get someone. It's a cool design. It has some fashion to kind of get them hooked, and then you can kind of get them into more function with some other knives. But I will show you this as compared to the Cryo 1. And then this is the Cryo 2. Obviously, that blade is a little bit dirty. But as you can see, the handles on these are a bit more sturdy and thick. They both have the same kind of blade lock mechanism. So they have the frame lock. But these, are a lot sturdier to me. And the blade is not as thin. So these would be more functional. Like, this is something I would take on a camping trip or something like that. Or if I was going fishing. I'm not a super outdoorsy person, but this is probably more of an everyday carry that I'd take to the office, open envelopes with, maybe cut something a little more. But you could defend yourself with this, obviously. If you nut or neck somebody, you can do some serious damage. So, that's worth noting. But yeah, it opens and closes very well. The same thing, it has the, the liner or the frame lock. So you just move that to the side and it closes. And like I said, it deploys very well. So highly recommend this knife.